our hands. So the problem is the doctors spend 40 and 60% of the time on paperwork, not the patients. And every Western AI scribe speaks English only. Most doctors in the world have no voice AI in their language. So our idea is simple. Doctor speaks, the AI is writes the note and order the labs and scores how sick the patient is automatically. So this is not a prototype. The Auris.ai is live today. Voice notes, ICY monitoring, lab connect, all built by one person. It's me. So why won't the big US companies beat us? They built for English. We're built for every language from our Central Asia. So from day one. And I'm doctor. They read about hospitals. I work in one every morning. So we're starting in Central.
Is it only me or Shazad? Okay.
I think we are losing him.
Yes,
Shazad, I apologize, but you're
One-
facing some technical issues. Yeah, that's
85,000 doctors, fast and cheap to prove. You know,
We cannot hear the Shahzad.
okay, Shazad. Anyway, thank you so much. The last 30 seconds was a bit problematic for us to understand your pitch, but anyway, we have time for juries now, and probably they have questions. So, dear judges, please go ahead if you have anything to
right now,
add.
just hear me.
Okay.
I don't have any question.
I have a question, if I may go.
Yeah, sure, please.
Shahzad, can you hear us? Yeah, we need to make sure he can
Okay.
hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear
I guess-
you. I hear you.
You hear? Okay, perfect. You did say that you built this platform on your own. So do you have technical background? How did you build this platform?
No. Yeah, we have a technical background. We are using the TypeScript, PostSQL, and we have a brain LLM. Our brain is LLM is Claude for reasoning and Whisper for transcript. We're using two AIs, one for transcribing and the second one for reasoning. Two AI work completely together and solving the problem. One listen, second one is writing instead doctor.
So the way
Our idea is completely.
Go ahead.
Our idea is completely simple. We're gonna make clinical workflows automatically. So it's I don't know what's problem was happened here, but I didn't finish my pitch. We are built this AI native is our first layer, but we have a vision to make the hospital is like AI fully automatically hospital.
Shahzad, thank you so much. Thank you, Kanye, for the question, but the time is up. Since we have a lot of startups, we probably should stay on time. Thank you. And now it's time to move on. And do we have anyone from the team of Fitball Trainer? Are you ready to pitch now? Fitball Trainer?
I'm sorry, I having trouble here. Can you move on without me for a minute?
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
Okay, got it. Zugazuni. Do we have anyone from the team of Zugazuni? Okay. What about Tas.io? Tas.io. Anyone from the team?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Great, and we can see the presentation as well.
Great. Okay, let me close this. Okay, can we start now?
Yes, please.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. My name is Emina. I'm a co-founder of TOS. Today, a company needs to comply with different types of standards like ISO frameworks and safety and healthy audits. But the compliance is very time-consuming process. So take, for example, ISO 9001, there are 200 requirements and the company needs to read all the requirements in their own internal policies, documentations, SOPs, line by line. So it's time-consuming, a slow process, and prone to human error. That's why we developed a three-step solution where the company can upload their requirements and regulations, and then they can upload the evidence documents in any type of formats. Then the AI maps all the clauses and the evidence documents and gives the result with the summary report. So based on this report, the company can also generate their own documents to comply with these regulations. So it gives the company 10 times faster process and 10 times more opportunity for the productivity and business growth. And because it can trace back to every evidence, it minimizes the human error. Our technology is based on our 10 years of experience in compliance consulting and based on 600 plus regulation research. And it's a multi-agent technology and it analyzes different types of format of files like text, image, and numbers and tasks. Our competitive advantage is, like I mentioned, the 10 years of expertise and our own data set, and it's framework agnostic and cheaper than other solutions. Our market, global market, is $60 billion, but we're starting from Southeast Asia and Central Asia, where the regulations are tightening faster. And our sales strategy is through the mining sector, because based on the Mongolians' own expertise, and we will replicate this strategy to expand into other regions. Currently, we have 5 paid clients in Singapore and Middle East, and we've been working with Mongolian government agencies like Independent Authority Against Corruption and Supreme Court to analyze their new legislations. And we have over 100 companies, clients in Mongolia. Our revenue model is subscription-based, and like I mentioned, our sales strategy is through compliance consultants to reach their clients, which gives us faster sales cycle and lower customer acquisition costs. Our team has over 10 years of compliance expertise and also technology background, and we have advisors and experts in compliance and investment. And we're raising $300,000 to hire new talents to our global market expansion and to refine our AI technology. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Amina, for the presentation. Dear jury panel, we have not many juries today, and that's why all responsibility is on your shoulders. So, dear juries, do you have any questions?
Maji, I always have a question. If I want to give an opportunity to others too, just let me know.
Hikmat, do you have anything to ask?
No, I'm good at it because I saw the presentation is pretty nice. The traction is
Okay.
good. I mean, the team is good. That's why I don't have any question. If I have a question, I definitely ask.
Appreciate
Okay,
it.
got
Thank
it. Okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, jury panel. And thank you, Amina. And it's time to move on for us.
Thank you.
Do we have, oh, we have Build AI. Are you ready to pitch?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Okay, great. Yes, we can hear you well.
Wait a second. A second.
Yeah, okay, great. Yes, we can see the presentation.
Okay, my name is
Yes.
Bill Gates. It sounds like Bill Gates, so you can remember me, Mongolian Bill Gates. Okay, let's start the pitch. Construction is 13% of the world's economy and the least digitized industry on earth. Productivity has grown 1% per year for 20 years. In Japan, the industry lost 1 million workers in those same 20 years. It can't hire them back. And the people who are left, they still move every piece of information by hand, paper, Excel, phone calls, chat groups. The problem, let me be honest about the competition. The Procore Autodesk, the two big program built for Western unions and main contractors. But step outside the West and here's the reality. In Japan, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, in developing markets, sites still run on Excel, chat groups, and phone calls. And the companies that do have systems, they have 5 separate ones. One for drawings, one for schedule, one for cost. None of them talking to each other. So human sits in the middle, moving data by hand, connecting every change, chasing every update. The software didn't remove the manual work, it just gave it a login screen. Nobody built AI that works like a coworker. So we don't sell only construction software, we sell construction stuff with it. One platform, one memory for the whole job. Our main product takes the analog side, the paper, Excel, and the phone calls, and makes it digital. Then the AI goes to work. Build plan, our subsystem, before you break ground. Build manage, our main product, running the site for stakeholders. Build cost on the money, and that memory is the product. Our AI is not chatbot answering one question at a time. It's a coworker with a second brain that holds the whole project at once. For example, construction drawing gets updated. It instantly sees what gets delayed, what needs rechecking, and what it costs before anyone asks. Then it prepares the fix and warns you of the risk. Always with proof, never guess. You must approve. A brain, but never hands. Anyone can copy our code or architecture, but nobody can copy knowing where AI must stop and human must decide. That's where my co-founder comes in, with the 15 years of being the one who says yes or no in the construction site. We are not pitching an idea. We are already live. Six months from the first line of code to our first paying contract. Propium Prime Partners is the leading Ulaanbaatar developer paying, using it right now. 5 more enterprises in this closing, 0 ad spend. Every customer came from construction.
Bilge, thank you so much, but the time is up and it's time for questions. If they are, dear judges, anything to ask?
Yes. We didn't get to the team. Could you please quickly talk about the team?
Okay, I'm Mukwilik, the CEO. My co-founder is CTO Siriglin. He has built the system. He's a project manager at a major Japanese construction firm in Fukuoka today. He's the customer, so he built the product he wanted to use, and he uses it on live site every day. And 2 founders.
Thank you.
How about your market strategy?
First, we are proving our idea, proving our system in Mongolian soil. And once we get a good grasp and feedback from Mongolia, we will go to Japan because my co-founder is working in Japan and he knows the market. Then after that, we will go to East Asia and Central Asia, where the developing countries has the less software system for construction companies.
Thank you.
Great, thank you so much, Bilge, and I wish you to become Mongolian Bill Gates for sure in reality. And so it's time to move on for us. Let me invite another founder to the stage. Do we have anyone from the team of eClinic? Anyone from eClinic? Yeah, got it. What about Suri?
Yeah, I'm
Sorry for pronunciation. Suri?
Yeah, it's pronounced Suri.
Okay, great. Suri is here.
Okay. Share this.
Please, yes, please start sharing your screen.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, so let me start. Hi, I'm Selmek, founder of Sorry. So 2 months ago, we launched an AI tutor for Mongolian students. Today, 60,000 students use it. And let me show you why I built it. So this is school number 130 in Ulaanbaatar, which contains more than 60 children in one classroom. My 12-year-old brother used to study here. So that's when I first built the first version of Story. And this problem is across the region. Chronic teacher shortage. Students have no one to go to when they're stuck on our homework. And there's tutors are too expensive, and there's no Mongolian ready AI in global assistance. And so we built Story. As you can see, students have some homework, and our OCR reads it, even handwriting, and Story teaches step by step in Mongolian, never just the answer. Plus, real national exam tests that grade themselves and find weak doubts on every platform. In September, we launched a school program, guided mastery learning for the national math exam, prepared by experts, lessons and quizzes you must pass to advance with the AI tutor alongside if the student gets stuck. And school analytics for parents and teachers to see if the students is really learning or not. So about the traction, we have 60,000 users in only 2 months with $0 ad spend. That's an elite engagement for education, in my opinion. And the business model, we are getting the money in 2 ways. One from the consumers and school ball. And secondly, we're launching this September, but per subject, per student, per year, national math exam preparation. And we are booked 100 students for now. So our market is mostly K-12 students in Mongolia, but we are started in Mongolia right now. And after taking the Mongolia market, we're planning to scale to other countries. We recently got into Startup School 2026 by Y Combinator, and from the summer batch, we got top 10%. So we are thinking of reapplying. From the team, I'm national programming champion 2 times in Mongolia and 2 times Asian programming silver medal and best tech student of 2025 awarded by the Prime Minister. And our CMO is built 3 million organic reads for the brands. And our angel investor is Mongolia's first MIT CS graduate and Stanford education.
Selmek, thank you so much, but the time is up. Dear jury panel, any questions?
A comment, excellent job. Good luck.
Great. Thank you so much, Selmek. And now it's time to move on, and thank you, our juries, for the feedback. Do we have anyone from the team of Montrans? Anyone from Montrans? What about Orto Ecosystems?
Yes, we are here.
Oh, okay, great.
Yes.
Gambol, please start
Yes,
sharing
and
the
then
screen.
our also co-founder Gantolga is here.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
we can.
okay. So Mongolia business startups and then local businesses facing challenges with the recent, traffic jam, and also like the startups has like own not a big CRM, so we are helping the create the create the hold on. Oh, sorry, it's gone out. We're gonna share the screen again. Create the ecosystem, which is help the startups and then merchant and then suppliers to gather all together to do the this ecosystems. Usually startups has bigger business and corporations have their own CRM, but then startups, they don't have any CRM data. So we are shared. Can you, Mari, can you allow us the screen sharing?
Okay, I paused your page, so please start sharing, and I will turn on the camera again.
Okay. 만약 자기 pause 있으면 тагаас screen share. За, тэгээ доотлогоо дараа томруулаад. За, ихний утсан дээр очиж briefing гэдэг дээр.
Okay, great. We can see it.
Okay. So, yeah, so as I said, Orto ecosystem is a distribution and product discovery ecosystem built on a unified product database that connects consumers, merchants, and suppliers. So, дараагийнх нь утсан. It consists the following three core systems. So product database, so end customers, merchant, and suppliers goes to on a product database. So the global product database based on GAS1 standard barcodes is being established and registered on collaboration with GAS1 Mongolia in accordance with international standards. So what we do is Orto Ecosystems allows the product database where vendors, including suppliers and business entities, register the products with the GS1 standard. Once they're registered, they become a part of the unified product database. So they can change up-to-dates their products, pictures, and on up-to-date informations. So this unified database for all types of products will be established, allowing all participants, parties to use products information directly in their operations without the need to re-enter or modify the data. So it can be, it can give them like easy to access, easy to change the products, easy to update the products. So like in the presentation, you can see the products, they can just change up to date. So the consumers will have the better knowledge. So we also have the core system. So also financial payment instrument that serves the credit enables stable account between suppliers and merchant, allowing cashless and real-time payments. So all the financial institutions can be in our system too. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gambalor, and I'm so sorry for the issues you faced. The jury panel, do you have any questions?
I have a question. Not sure if you've mentioned the traction. What is the traction so far?
Attraction?
Yeah, like do you have customers who's using it so far?
Yes. So right now, we are about to launch our launching by beginning of next year. But right now we have 5 customers that are trying to our product, and also we have 15,000 pinpoints. So it's B2B, B2K, B2C business. So those 15,000 pinpoints are already in the maps, already taken a picture, and then it's the small businesses, all the business to business relations.
Got it. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Great, Gambalor, thank you so much for the presentation. Now it's time to move on. Okay, so let me invite the next startup to pitch. Do you have anyone from the team of S and Pell?
Yes, I'm here. Should I share my screen?
Yes, please start sharing.
Second. Can you see it?
Yes, we can.
Okay, I can start now. So the app
Yes.
that we're building is called SNPal, and the problem that we're solving is people, when learning languages, they learn them, but then the only way to learn them is to actually practice them with native speakers or with whatever tool existing on the market, like just to practice it and to see the words in action and to use them yourself. But then every single tool there is on the market, whether that would be ChatGPT, Duolingo, Pingo AI, all of competitors, you name it, they adapt to your level, but they're not adapting to your vocabulary. So even if they seize your vocabulary as B1, you might not know the words for the B1. You might know different ones. So specifically for Chinese, because we built that for Chinese Chinese learners. They have the problem of when they learn characters, they have to see them in a context in order for them to engrave in their brain. But whenever they try to practice it with any AI language learning tool, they use overly advanced characters, those that they didn't learn. But you know, it takes a lot of time to learn a character. So I thought maybe if there is going to be the tool that would understand every single word that you know, we literally store every single word that you know in our database, and then we adjust AI so that he's gonna give you an answer based like on the ratio, so that 80% of the words, this is a default, are the words that you know, and only 20% of the new ones. So he literally responds to you with the words that you already know, that he knows with 100% accuracy that you do. And it's not just an 80%, 80-20 toggle, it is just a toggle that you can kind of switch if you feel like you want to increase the difficulty of the level that he's replying to you. So he's going to use like 30% from the sentence of the new words, and then 70% are the words that you know, like from your exact vocabulary. He's going to adjust his answer to that vocabulary. We already built an app. We started it a month ago, and the app is already ready. This is how it looks, and you can definitely see that it actually has an 80-20 ratio. Like 80% are the green words are the words that you know, and only 20% are the words that you do not know. And also, whenever you don't know the word, you just tap on it and you get the translation. And if the program so happened to get it not right, you change the coloring of the word. And yellow words are the ones that you're currently learning, not the ones that you don't know. So this works because people, okay, I'm gonna put it this way. People love it. People are going to use it because they will feel comfortable in this app, because whenever they were learning Chinese, when they started to speak with our app, they feel recognition because they understand 80% of what he replies. So they feel comfortable and feel attached to it, and they feel as if they are smart. And that feeling is going to keep them attached to an app and want to come back to an app. And we already started a social media like a few weeks ago. We just posted one video there. And in our team, we have a team of engineer who's my co-founder. He's 28, and I'm a high school student. I'm 16, and I'm doing a marketing and also app development a bit.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the presentation, and it's definitely great talent. Dear judges, do you have any questions? Okay, Kani, you had something?
I do have a question. Excellent job. So when did you start building this? What is
A
the
month
run rate?
ago. Actually, I started to build it myself 6 months ago. I built a website that showcased it, and then I found the co-founder a few months ago later, when it was already summer. He found me through the LinkedIn post that I made about this whole thing, and he became my technical co-founder.
And you just started the go-to-market strategy?
Can you
Social,
say it
that
again?
one social media. And how's your go-to-market strategy going?
Oh, I just started. It was just like one Kumar video. It was for fun, just to see how that's gonna perform, because it was the first video that I edited. But now I'm working on a beta video so that we can get 30 users, and we already have $300 invested in us so that we can support those beta users, so that we can further already like test the product, refine it, and then put it on the App Store by the end of August, hopefully.
Thank you. Good luck.
Good job.
Great, Sabina. Thank you so much for the presentation, and definitely best of luck to you. Now it's time to move on. So currently, I see 4 the same companies with different subsidiaries. So I just wanna ask, do we have anyone from Sidezoda team? Because I'm a bit confused
Hello.
because we have.
Yeah,
Good
Hi.
morning. Actually, we have eight startups that we applied. So I want to start with a short explanation why it's so. We have a team, a pool of the engineers, AI, data, and real, so mechanicals, and so each of our we have a pool and we have a problem. When the problem comes, and a team just divide among themselves and create an app. And the 8 project that we will show to you, 6 of them is already is either have a paid customer or is piloting. So we will
Oh,
start with
I
the
see.
desk. Yeah,
So
we
here
can start with
the
Amina.
only thing
Yeah.
only thing that only one founder can pitch one project. So that's the thing you should take into account.
I see. Because okay, can I share my screen? I want to start with the Amina. Is it okay? It's on the end of the list.
So I don't. I mean LMS, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sure. In that case, so if you're gonna pitch all 8, unfortunately, you cannot do that. But you can select one you can pitch and give the floor to other founders. If you have 8
Of course,
companies,
of
in
course.
that case, 8 founders supposed to be, right?
Maybe I will share not 5 but or 6. Maybe I will share 2 because the product's already ready, and one or two our teammates are late because they have meeting with the customers.
Yeah,
So
that's fine. Okay. Anyway, so let's go through
yeah.
according to the order. So SiteZoda desk. Do we have anyone from SiteZoda
Yeah,
desk?
yeah. Yes. Yeah. Share screen.
Okay.
No.
Great. You may start.
So hello everyone, I am Amin Jalilov, founder and CEO of SiteZoda Desk. We build AI customer support for the Silk Road. Agents that answers tickets in Tajik, Russian, and Uzbek. We use our own large language models, and the minimal viable product is shipped. Support in Central Asia is broken. Banks make customers wait up to 48 hours. Call centers don't speak the local language, and Zendesk is priced only for the West. That's 2 million requests a year handled badly. SiteZoda Desk has 3 layers, each a mode. A help desk core, ticketing, SLAs, and escalation. Our SiteZoda layer, so it includes branding, 3 languages, and every channel, and a local AI agent on the customer's own GPU. No data leaves the bank, and we are 16% cheaper. The AI does the first response. Humans handle what matters. It auto triggers this. It auto triage in seconds and answers common requests instantly. Angry customers escalate automatically. We target 16% of tickets without a human. Each saves $3. 500,000 banks saved 900,000 a year. The minimal viable product is already shipped with a live demo today. The dashboard shows tickets and queries in all 3 languages. The AI draft a reply, send in seconds or auto-send. 3 forces are aligning in 2026. AI agents got real. Large language models can now replace L1 support. After ChatGPT, no one accepts a 48-hour reply. Banks now forbid the cloud. On-prem is the only path. And we are the only team here that can build it. This market is almost untapped. We count 500 plus banks, 50 plus operators, hundreds of agencies, $200 million TM with no real incumbent. We expand from Tajikistan to like our LLM to other languages like Uzbek and others. The MVP is live in our own cloud today. We are targeting 3 pilots in half 2 of 2026. We charge per seat with an AI premium. Base is $5. The AI tier is $15. 3 times the price, 10 times the value. Enterprise runs 50 to 2,000.
Thank you so much. But the time is up, and it's time for questions.
Okay.
Dear judges, do you have any?
Yeah, I have a
Sure.
question. So could you tell me about your team?
My team, we are like, we have some problem and we solve it like, how can I say? We solve it
About
between
team.
our team, like, how can I say?
And the next question, are you technical guy or sales?
Can you repeat the question?
You are technical or salesperson? You
Boss.
said you are CEO. Oh, really? Thank you.
Yeah, I'm like boss.
Sounds good.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much, for the presentation. Kami, do you have anything to add?
No. It's already like I already said what I wanted.
No. Can you please go ahead?
Yeah, sure. I guess what Hikmet alone meant, who is building this company? The Saizoda. Is it you're the CEO in building it, the platform selling and building it?
I didn't get the question. Can you repeat it, please?
No worries. Oh, good job. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you for the presentation. And
thank you.
Let's move on to the other, let's say, subsidiaries of Saizoda. Do we have Saizoda ERP here? Saizoda ERP?
Yes, we have just a minute. It should be sure.
So, is it
Okay.
possible to attend one company in the 5 subsidiaries? It's a little. Ready?
Yeah, that's so. According to our internal policies, we if they have separate companies with separate leadership, and if some of the company will eventually win, we will sign agreements with the company that win.
You're
and
gonna
they
sign the
said that-
contract with the parent company, or only
No,
subsidiary company?
not with the parent company, only with subsidiary. But I believe it's not like a subsidiary. I believe it's something independent, but just the team was divided into developing different initiatives. So that's what I get from the explanation. So, Saizoda ERP, please start.
Thank you.
So hello, everyone. My name is Abdullah Bakr. I'm the founder, and I've been building Saizoda ERP since I was in 11th grade, and so today it's Saizoda ERP. So the problem is somewhere in Tajikistan right now, a tile factory with 562 workers report 71 to the government, not fraud but chaos. So its recipes live in one paper notebook owned by one person. Nobody has ever counted its inventory. So the factory is one of 50,000 factories that are all around the Central Asia, and the manufacturers doing $1 to $50 million and a year, running on IC and Excel and WhatsApp. And the SAP costs $1 million, built for Fortune 500 countries who will never serve them. So owners fly blind on the numbers, and that matter most, the real cost per unit, real cash, and real margin. We are Saizoda ERP, branded AI native ERP that runs on the factory's own servers and their own language. So here's the difference. We don't rent open AI servers or open AI. We have 35 plus 35 plus open source LLMs. One already fine-tuned on text code built by our parent company, Saizoda Engineering. And if you ask a question in Tajik or any language, get a real answer. The AI writes the morning reports and flags an unusual purchase order before anyone opens the app. And because the model runs on the factory's own GPU server, the payroll and recipes, none of it leaves the building, and the region doesn't trust the US cloud. That's not a feature, that's a sale. So this isn't a slide, it's shape. We also have paying customers that we have partnership with them, that 5 active pilots in 6 months. Ceramic tile factory live in production, and a concrete block plant, and the lime factory from that same owner in test, a cement factory prototype, and a solar contract in signature. So
thank you so much, and the time is up. So dear jury panel, do you have anything to ask? Oh, okay.
Right here, I have a question. So you're saying that this platform was built by the parent company's engineering team?
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, of course. So you're saying that this platform, Saizoda ERP, was built by the engineering team of the parent company?
Yeah, we actually built the projects, the ideas, all of them. We actually are different types of programmers. For example, me and Amin are front-end developers, and we take the front-end sides, and we are also AI engineers, and we actually write prompts and generate data, and for our fine-tuned AIs, LLMs. That's all.
And you do sales too, separately? I mean, for his division and you for this company?
Yeah, of course, I do.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. So, sides of the HR.
Thanks.
Here's
Sides of the
another
HR.
meeting. Can you skip to another content?
Okay, sides of the AA lab.
Hi, I will be presenting sides of the AI lab. Let me share my screen. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you well.
Okay, sure. Do you see my presentation?
Not yet.
Oh. Oh, okay. Can I rejoin, because apparently the permissions to share, I had to adjust the permission. It asks to restart the Zoom. So
okay, in that case, I will call you
possible, the next
sides
one.
of the AA lab, right? Okay. What about? Sure. Do we have anyone from the team of Ember AI? Got it. What about Jenny?
We're here.
Okay, we have Jenny. Great.
Let me share my screen real quick.
Yes, please.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Dawa Chargat, co-founder of Jenny. Jenny is a customer experience agent, and we didn't guess this business. Our paying customers told us to build it. So here's the story. Our first product matched everyday customers with brands to share honest experience about their product, and it worked. But as we worked with those brands, the same message kept coming back. They told us, we don't want more marketing content. We want to know what our real customers actually experience. And then we dug into that. We found a much bigger problem. Out of every 100 customers, business hears from about 4. The rest just leave quietly. And the owner never learns why. Even when feedback does show up, only 5% of the businesses respond. An average reply takes 6 days. So owner run blind and act too late. The good news is AI just made it possible for us to fix it for small businesses. So here's what we're building. It's a customer experience intelligence, an AI agent that captures far more of what customers are actually experiencing and then tells owners what's winning and losing them customers and responds in real time. So put simply, we want every business to hear 10 times more from their customer and act with speed. And this is already happening. Today, we are running live case studies with 30 Mongolian brands, and once brand passes 200 experience a month, we switch the agent on, and we launched this in November. Now you might be thinking, why won't a bigger company just do this? It's simple. They can't reach these businesses, and we already have. The global tools are expensive, complex, and they only tell you how people feel, not what to do. So we are affordable, we're local, and we act. Plus, we have warm access to our paying brands and data set nobody else has. And so how big can it get, right? So in terms of market, every online seller in the world has this problem. They feel it hardest because for an online shop, reviews are the storefront. Customer experience software is $22 billion market, and none of it's built for them. Our region alone has 250,000 online sellers across Mongolia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan. That's $150 million market, growing 30% a year. And we start with the 55,000 sellers in Mongolia and Uzbekistan, where winning just 3% gets us to $1 million a year. So nobody serves these sellers, and we prove it here, then the playbook travels. And finally, why us? I'm a marketer, and I partner with over 100 brands. My co-founders are branding expert and engineer background in fintech. And we know how repetition builds or breaks a brand. And here's the thing. We already built and sold and gotten paid by this exact customer. And next month we are moving to Tashkent and to do it again and full time. So yeah, here's our pitch. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the presentation. Dear judges, do you have any questions?
No questions. Thank you.
Okay, I see no questions. Thank you so much for the presentation. And it's time to move on. Do we have anyone from the team of Mesco?
I am back just in case.
Okay, I'll call you later because we also have some people who missed their turn. Mesco? We don't have many people here, so I believe I'll come back to you very quick. What about Xirat? Сайдзода EDU.
Here.
Okay. Please
Hello.
start sharing your screen with us. Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Very good. Just a moment. I think there is an issue with the sharing thing. Okay.
Okay, if you're facing the issues, we can come back to you later after the next speech. Сайдзода Health.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, can you share your screen with us?
Yes. Mm.
Okay, are you sharing? I believe that's the
Yes.
problem in Tajikistan, probably, or
Can I relaunch Zoom and came in for?
okay. In that case, I will call you back later.
Okay, no
What
problem.
about Mazatok? Do you have anyone from Mazatok? Got it. I'm in LMS.
Hi, do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Please try
So
sharing your screen with
yeah,
us
I will
as
share my
well.
screen and I will answer to most of your questions because about the team. Yeah, we are applying with the plus plus 7 projects and share. Do you see my screen now? This
Oh,
is was for
it's a different one.
1 minute, please. So we are 1 minute. How to stop share and try again once again, please. Sorry.
Mhm.
Now it should work. Let me try again. So now you see my screen, yes?
Yes, you may start.
Yeah. My name is Toyir, and I'm the CTO of the Saizuda Engineering. Our owner is Madina. She's of the owner of the company, and what we are proposing, there's many startups that build or help or tutor or many AI tutor programs that help students. What we want to be is a Shopify of learning, and if you now log in to Amina, you will see around 100 books for the learners and. So what issue what's the problem that we have content, most of them in English, in Russian, or in Western language. We have a Coursera, we have a Canvas or Duolingo. They are more like pro English or pro Western. But we have 80 million plus learners that stuck with paper, with PDFs. So we are solving all these problems we give for any school, for any teacher, for any business, for any government entity. We give you a full code generation app with already language model, compliance module, school and exam modules, and it's light. You can use it offline, and the problem with the internet and with the phones is solved with our problem. So we own the models, as we said. We build our own fine-tuned Central Asian large language models. So this Mr. Necruz will tell more about this, and we are helping the schools, teachers to work with to help them to generate their courses and host in our Amina. So we have now 3 paying small businesses. We have we are partnered with the IT Park. There are some big groups like a group that will work with us. They are planning to work with us. We have in our pilot, we have 10 private schools that they are already paying, and at the same time they're piloting. So we have banks that are waiting for us. There are also ministries that want to teach their workers English, English and Russian, and so as we are raising money, so our product is ready. We have already a product that's used in schools, in government, in small businesses, small medium businesses. So how we want to earn money is we sell it to businesses. We charge each team or each user $1 per user. So my time is up. So do you have any question? Please ask.
Yes. Dear juries, anything to ask?
I have a quick question. The question is regarding of churn cost. You say the zero. Why you are taking the zero churn cost?
So we have only cost for one book, to generate one book. It takes us just 20 cents, $0.2. So we have the databases, we have the code, and we have LLM that. So for us to create or host a project or a school or a bank or a government entity is almost zero. So it's almost zero cost.
Thank you.
So it is like we have a couple books in Kazakh, Uzbek, Kyrgyz, and Russian, Chinese, Indian. But we are now just focused for Tajikistan, and our team. I can show our teams that Medina or Nekruz, or as I said before, we are a pool of engineers. So any problem coming to us or any team, our team members want to build anything, we just gather and brainstorm, and after that we divide it among our teammates, and the product that an individual can create may take months, but with the 20 highly qualified data engineer AI front and back end, it takes almost a week. So that's why. So about the ownership, Saizada team just owns just a part of the project, and the main the CEO that they presented. So if we can just change the ownership or make it no, it's just like a Google. Google has many projects. So
okay,
that's
great.
about Amina.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Tahir. It's a very nice institutional approach to develop startups, right?
Yeah, like an old way, when there was an order,
Yeah,
Kacha,
that's cool.
Kipchak,
Great.
Kaluk, Tajik,
Thank
Uzbek,
you.
all, just go and fight with
Thank
someone. So the team goes, and so thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Tahir. Now let's move on. Do we have anyone from the team of Solomon AML?
Yes, it's me. My name is Sultan.
Okay,
Right now
great,
I will
Sultan, please.
share the presentation with you.
Okay. Yes, we can see the presentation. But we can hear you. You're on mute.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. Please, sir.
Yeah. 1 more minute, please. Now. Okay, I will start. The Solomon IML, the product that were created for the banks. The reason is we have two problems in the banks from 2024 and 2025. It is the IML security and IML alerts, and 90% of them are the false. And right now, banks are supposed to catch this, but the tools they are using were built for a different rigid rule-based systems that flags transactions only after it's already gone through, and they run almost every time. Independent research shows their false positive rates at 90 to 95% in 2023 alone. In the United States and Canadian banks spent $61 billion caching false alarms, while the real threats slipped through underneath the noise. Meanwhile, the stakes keep rising. Global IML Fine stop at 10 billion in 2024 and jumped at more than 400% in the first half of the year alone. And our solution, as I said, my name is Sultan Shonazarshov. I'm founder of Salomon. We built an AI native platform that scores every transaction for money laundering and fraud risk before it's clear, not after. We created the scoring and analytics model that scores and analyze each transaction less than 1 second and gives a result. Also, about the traction, right now we have 2 pilots with 2 biggest banks from Russia. I can't call their names because we signed the NDA. And also right now we are talking with the Freedom Bank of Tajikistan and Alif Bank of Tajikistan, the 2 biggest fintechs from Tajikistan, with whom we wanted to collaborate. About the team, we have many experts and many advisors who have over than 20 years. Who have the over than 20 years experience in the banking investment, in banking security, and in the IML and fraud risks. It is my aunt. It is also the one of the owner of the bank, who call it the, I forgot his name, Peter Tajdin. He is also one of the advisors. And yesterday we got investments in over than 500K. That's all.
Sultan, thank you so much. And dear judges, do you have any questions?
Yes,
I don't have
Sultan, thank you for the presentation. So in the team, I see it's just you.
Yeah, right now it's just me, but in my team, who created the product was also 2 tech specialists from Mexico who are also working in the Plata Bank, one of the biggest fintech in the Latin America, and 5 advisors. One of them, my aunt, Nazarcheva Natalia Moenshoevna, that was owner one of the bank in Tajikistan that call it Tajikistan Bank, and one of the biggest advisors that give us the main advices is the Peter Tajdin.
When did you launch this project?
This product we launched it 3 months ago, and we also got the best results. We're scoring each transaction less than 1 second, and our transaction rating of scores, does it transaction was true or false, are 92, 94. And it's one of the best results, and we can concurring and compete with the biggest IML systems.
So when you said you're testing, how are you testing this?
We tested on the real transaction that works in real time in 2 banks in Russia. We connected our IML system under their IBS engines, and it works in parallel with their transaction analytics.
Understood. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank
Thanks.
you so much, Sultan. And it's time to move on. Do we have anyone from the team of Evida AI?
Yes, I'm here. Let me share my screen.
Yes, please. We probably will do one more project after this one and take a short 5-minute break. And after the break, I will be inviting the project that I tried to call before the break and didn't get an answer.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, let me start. My name is Gulguna, and I am an ex-Big Four and co-founder of Evida AI, and the second founder is also present. Nicole. Let me start. Every number the world trusts, starting from your banks balances, pension fund, share prices of the company you work for is trusted because auditors signed it. And here is the industry secret. The system behind the trust still runs on human hours and spreadsheet, where junior auditors matching and reconciling data manually till the morning. And audit firms spend over $230 billion every year on audit labor. And about half of every junior's hours is spent on work no longer humans should do. It's reconciliation, data match, extract data from PDF to Excel, etc. Meanwhile, less people willing to enter the profession while demand and regulatory requirement still growing. Why now? Because first of all, LLMs can finally read audit evidence, contracts, invoices, and confirmation, and during the reconciliation and data match. And second of all, it's Big Four has their own team and resources and building their own AI. But what about mid-tier audit firms? There's a huge gap between them, and we are building Avida AI, the future of the platform where future of audit will happen. Today, Avida AI is AI agent at audit, and tomorrow it will become the operating system for audit. AI performs repetitive manual work, and auditors make their professional judgment. The product is validated with ex-KPMG Moscow, and we fixed up to 90% of time saved on reconciliation procedures. And currently, the traction is we have the four pilot with the audit firms from the top 15 global network. 2 pilots is completed, and we are moving to the stage of signing a paid contract. And the market is huge, and 230 billion in labor is shifting to AI audit solution. Just an AI audit software piece is 12 billion. It's a huge market. And I spent over 12 years in Big Four living the problem. And 10 years from now, AI audit will be run by AI and human with the human in the loop. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gulguna, for the presentation. Dear judges, do you have any questions?
I do. I was looking at the slide on the business model. So for the standard, you're charging 300, for professional 800, and the enterprise custom. Could you please tell more about the custom? How are you going to planning to charge that?
Sorry, you're asking about the business model? Can you repeat the question, please?
Right. So I was looking at the slide of the business model. For the enterprise, it says it'll be charged customized, right? If you could please,
Yes.
tell
Our business model is a B2B SaaS business model, and we have price per seat, and then bench, and also customized per enterprise.
Is it gonna also depend on how many people from the enterprise will be using,
Yes.
or depending on like what budget they have for audit?
Depends on number of employees.
Number of employees, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Gulguna, and thank you for the question, Kani. It's time to move on, and let's do one more project, and after we'll take a short 5-minute break. Do you have anyone from InventSale? Okay, what about Zootel or Zootel? One Place HR.
Yes, we're here.
Okay, great. Please start sharing your screen.
Few seconds, please.
Can you see it?
Not yet, but it's coming. Yes, we can see it.
Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Guru. So I'll turn my camera on. Sorry. I'm a founder and CEO of One Place HR. So we have built AI recruiter for the multi-branch businesses such as food chains, retail services, and etc. So the problem they're facing is when the branch have maximum 10 days without any staff, they're in the risk of closing this branch or operational disruptions. And this type of multi-branch businesses have 60% or plus turnover, which makes the work of recruiters like infinite job. And if recruiters lose one day, the candidate is already hired by a competitor. So this creates a very tense job. So what we have done is we have our own source of job platform, which is called Dildo Work. We use social media and part-time app, and all these three sources are coming to the AI recruiter that is interviewing all the candidates on the location they're living and their experience and etc. And then we are telling recruiters final 5 or 3 candidates. They calling from our web platform, and all of the phone calls are transcripted. And these 2 steps are creating a lot of data that is that can be learned in a closed loop. So the every next candidate is perfectly fit for the company. So basically the features are companies posting on their social media, people click immediately go interview with AI. In our own proprietary work platform is also list of jobs. People come here, go through the voice-based interview with AI. In our part-time app job, where people who are willing to do one-day job, they come in, work, and get paid on daily basis. So what we also have done for the companies is that we have integrated full-time and part-time jobs into one shift management to make it smooth and easy. And also we also own our tech phone stack, which we have developed on ourselves, where it's connected to operators, and recruiters just click, call, and all the summarization come to the candidate itself. So a few of the results. So we have Korean branch in Mongolia. They have moved all the branch managers' work into 3 recruiters, and this is a few of our clients in Mongolia and
Thank you
Uzbekistan.
so much, but
Yeah.
the time is up. Dear judges, do you have any questions? Okay. Kani? Okay, got it. So great. Thank you so much for the presentation. And dear participants, let us take a short 5-minute break. And after the break, we'll try to call the projects that didn't respond or had some technical issues. And let's meet at 36 minutes. Dear participant, it's time to continue our competition. Okay, Ken is here, waiting for Hikmatullah. But while waiting him, let us try checking out the project that didn't respond in the beginning. So do we have anyone from the team of Senti Truck? Football trainer. Caesarion. Zugazuni. E-Clinic.
Hello. Hi.
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 Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
E-Clinic.
Yeah. I am Erlan. I am the co-founder of eClinic. Yeah, and the co-founder and also CTO. I'm my responsibility. So
Okay, just
okay,
just a
let me share my
second.
screen. Shall I?
Yes, please start sharing the screen. But do we have Hikmatullah? Are you here with us? Because we would need his wisdom.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, the screen is visible. Let us wait for 1 more minute, and then we'll continue. Okay.
Okay, sorry, I need to full screen.
No, you can share the screen again.
Okay.
Check the other click. Yeah, and also you didn't give your presentation, right?
Yeah, I want to show this screen. Yeah. Shall I
No,
start?
I mean
Yeah.
during the application in the survey, when you fill out the survey, you didn't attach the link to your presentation.
Oh, really?
Yes. Anyway, so let's continue. Please start your presentation.
So we are eClinic. So we are the Mongolia's health tech startup. So I just want to show that this screen because it's startup. Startup link is ranked our startup as the first, the top startup in the Mongolia. So yeah, so I wanna let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
We see the screen, but not the presentation.
Okay. So as I said, so we are the Mongolia's healthcare startup. So we set up 2020, and so we offer variety of services like B2B and B2C. For B2B, like it's hospital information system. So currently used by 350 private and public hospitals. And we are offering also B2C, which is application. So users can order their laboratory applications, appoint hospital times. So as a 400,000 people are using our application. So this is our application, and we are also doing HIS. So we are currently newly developed. In the HIS system, there is a lot of features like HIS, LIS, dental, fax, telemedicine, kiosk, etc. And we are developing this hospital using international standards. A lot of standards we are using. Also, we are integrated with a lot of government systems. And we are the only Mongolian company that holds this certificate, ISO 27001. And we are like covered all Mongolian regions. So at the time, so we have 32 staff, and we have 44,000 MRR, monthly record revenue, and last year we reached $450,000 US as a sales last year. So and when we run, so as I said, we have 32 staff, which is half of them as IT specialists, 50% as medical staff, and we also run call center. So these are our
Yervan, thank you
clients.
so much for the presentation, but the time is up. And dear jury panel, do you have any questions?
Yes, thank you so much for the presentation. So you said you launched in 2020 and the
Yes.
funding is 14 million as of now?
Yeah, 44,000 is our monthly revenue. MRR is 44,000.
MRR. And what was the growth since 2020?
Yeah. So we grew very substantially. I am the founder, the co-founder. At the time, we have only 300,000 sales, and there are two companies invested us, which is MCS, which is one of the biggest company in Mongolia, and also ICT Group also invested us. So at the time we are growing substantially, and we are developing a lot of new services, and we also covered our range, and we also invest in marketings, and we also invested in private clouds. We also invested a lot in technologies, and now we are thinking about AI, since we for laboratory market, we also covered 80%. So that means we have a lot of data now covered. So we are thinking about to develop AI services. We already did some chest AI, which is X-ray based doctor assist system, and also we are done also after people getting their laboratory test, the AI will summarize their test results. We also begin the service last month, and also we are developing, as I said, we have the new hospital information system, which also includes CDS, which is clinical decision service. It's also AI.
Everyone, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, but the time is up, and let's move on. So do we have anyone from the team of thank you, Montrans? Got it. Sides of the HR. Sides of the AA lab. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. Let me try again.
Okay. Oh, great. We can see the presentation.
Oh, finally.
Yes, please start.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Nekrujo Maksudov, co-founder of Saidzoda AI Lab. We build sovereign AI, language and speech models, and we deploy them on-premise on the client's own hardware, and we make on-prem affordable. So the problem is governments, banks, and telecom cannot send their data to the cloud. Regulations forbids it. So they need the AI on their own premise. So on-prem AI projects go, but this is where the problem starts. They don't get delivered oversized hardware runway costs nobody to run the stack, and big tech won't fix it because the Central Asian countries is below their radar. But right now there is a lot of initiative that is aimed on making AI central piece in Central Asia. For example, in Tajikistan, there is national AI strategy for 2040, where the government aims to make AI available in 4,000 schools and support more initiatives regarding that. What we do, we deliver an on-prem AI end-to-end model optimization, hardware sizing, deployment support, and we do it efficiently. We build our own language model for Tajik language, and as of now we tied the state-of-the-art model that currently present on their own benchmark by using 20 times less cost for training our model based on our proprietary techniques. Why us? Because because of where we have been, our team shipped extremely large-scale AI across the entire hardware spectrum, starting from FPGA, edge devices, GPUs, and like many other devices that I haven't named here. We have worked in multiple countries, multiple big projects. Most startups know only one stack. We make models run efficiently on whatever client owns or they can afford, which is very important for the region. That's the whole game in on-prem, and our efficiency.
Thank you so much, Nico John, for the presentation.
Yeah.
But the time is up, and it's time to ask questions if there are any. Dear judges, anything to ask?
Hikmatullah, if you don't have, do you have a question?
No, I don't have. All clear.
Yeah, I do I do have one.
Exactly.
So yeah, it's clear about the AI models, right? I'm curious about the hardware. Where are you getting the hardware to launch that on-prem services?
Yeah, sure. So we currently we have some hardware that we have invested from our own pocket, and also we are part of the NVIDIA accelerated startup project. So where we have access to their cloud infrastructure for training our models. And also we are able to run on local machines the models that we have trained. And also we have been able to deploy on the different type of devices. Like I personally have access to Qualcomm devices, RB6s, I have FPGAs, I have my own GPU server. So we have been already trying running them on all the different devices. So we are aiming to bring the model and run it whatever our customers have and make the cost as low as possible so that they start introducing this to their stack.
Understand. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nico John, for the presentation. And it's time to move on for us. Do we have anyone from the team of Ember AI? Okay, I see. What about Meskil? Xirat? Saidzoleidiu?
Here.
Okay, please start sharing the screen.
I hope.
Девочки, слушайте меня. Мама еще, она только документы сдает, еще по магазинам ходила, но покупала для документов бумажки. Она закончит документы, потом начнет вам. Хорошо?
Unfortunately, we can't see.
Задавать вопросы, что нам купила, что нет.
Okay,
Ладно?
let me try one more time. Can you see?
It's coming. Okay, and we have a background noise as well. Okay, great.
First of all,
just disappeared.
okay. Can you see me?
That's
My niece
fine.
is so excited to see you all today. So yeah, even though I was trying to. Well, can you see? Oh, the screen disappeared. Okay.
Yes.
Just a moment. Again. I don't know why. So, 3 minutes.
Okay, it's coming. Yes, we can see it. We can see it.
Okay. But
yeah, you may start.
Okay. Well, welcome everybody. My name is Akbar. I'm the CEO of this Saizuda Edu. So I'm gonna start with the problem. The school run on paper right now, and all the departments are not like integrated. So we came up with an idea of like coming with our educational ERP. system so that we bring the so we are trying to, we built one platform which had 3 layers, and where each school owns it. For example, initially we're gonna have our site, so the edu core, and then on the top of it we'll be building other things. But what makes our model different is, yes, there are other ERP systems that can be used in schools, but the thing is, we are building it for Central Asian context that has Central Asian languages. Yeah. And we do not train OpenAI. We already built our models. So for example, we have more than over 35 open source LLMs in Central Asian languages, and we burn a lot of tokens, let's say, and billions. And we realized that it's gonna eliminate teachers' admin time or schools' admin time. So talking about traction, we are having pilots starting third quarter of 2026. So we already have some negotiations going on with the private schools in Dushanbe. And then we're gonna be scaling to other Central Asian markets like Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. So why now? There is a 3 million market, but there is 0 AI native ERP. So, and as we know, there is a national AI strategy for 2040. So, and we have in Tajikistan only 4,000 schools in Dushanbe itself. And we would like to enter other markets, I mean, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan following. Yeah, and that's, and we have 2 price model. First one is base, 30 USD, and the second one is AI tier, 60 USD. Yeah, annual, which makes from 30 to 150K. Yeah. So for now, we have on pilot stage, we're gonna be honest, there is no encouraged revenue yet, but we are expecting IRR for the next year.
Thank you so much. But the time is up, and it's time for questions. Dear jury panel, do you have anything to ask? Okay, I see no questions. Thank you so much, Akhrar Khan. The presentation was great, and now it's time to move on. Sajida Health, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, please start sharing your screen.
I hope that you can see it.
Yes, we can see it. You may start.
Okay. 1 minute, please. It's perfectly seen, yes? I'm sorry.
Yes, please start.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Across Central Asia, thousands of clinics rely on paper records, Excel spreadsheets, and WhatsApp manage to manage the patient care. As a result, medical histories are fragmented, dangerous drug interactions can be missed, and doctors spend hours on paperwork instead of treating patients. Exciting systems like Epic and Cerner are too expensive, built for large Western hospitals, and don't support our local language or data requirements. That's why we built Sajida Health. Sajida Health is an AI-powered hospital operating system designed specifically for Central Asia. It combines electronic health records, appointments, pharmacy laboratory management, billing, and other. Our key advantage is privacy, and the AI runs entirely on the clinic's own server, so patient data never leaves the building. Doctors can instantly search medical records in Tajik and Russian, receive AI-assisted different diagnoses, detect dangerous drug interactions, and make faster clinical decisions while keeping full ownership of patient data. Our MVP is complete, and we launch our first private clinic pilots in Dushanbe in the second half of 2026. So we operate an annual subscription model ranging from 15,000 to 60,000 per clinic, with expansion planned across Uzbekistan. Yes, and Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. Our biggest competitive advantage is our parent company, Seyzoda Engineering, which has already developed over 35 open source language models for Central Asia languages and delivered enterprise AI solutions. This gives us enterprise that global competitors simply don't have. Today, we are raising 215,000 in pre-seed funding to complete our first paid deployment, strengthen our AI platform, and scale across the region. Our vision is simple. By 2031, every patient in Central Asia shall receive healthcare in their own language, with medical data that always remains in their own country. That's it.
Great. Thank you so much for the presentation. And dear judges.
Medina, thank you for the presentation. Do you have anyone in the team from healthcare?
Not yet. In the Zoom call, or what do you mean?
In general, in your team, in your project?
No, we are like a group, and especially we rely on engineers, also on marketings, and we work like together. If there are any like problems, we solve them together and so on. And in healthcare, I'm the one.
You have a background in healthcare?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You don't have, yes, Maria?
Oh, yes, sorry.
I got you. And a quick question. I mean, Izada, Stayzada project, the CTO is only one guy?
I didn't understand the question.
Okay, we're gonna have.
No, you can repeat if you.
Yeah, I mean, I want to ask all the project, the guys, pitching, and they're showing, giving the only one CTO. I mean, he was responsible for, certain engineering company, something.
Yes.
Maybe they have the team, engineering team, and other engineers, and he's the main CTO.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am here. I am Toyo says that I'm CTO. Yes, I'm the head of the engineers. I can say we have a team. So as a product owner, I just mandate the jobs within our team. So we have a project, for example, for the health. We get we work with very huge groups. In our Central Asia, we have groups, as you know, a group of the companies
Got you.
like. Yeah, so
I got
they
you. So
discuss the
time is
product.
up.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you
got
so much. And it's time to move on. Thank you, Marina, for the presentation. Do we have anyone from the team of Mazatalk? InventSale? Zotel?
Yes, InventSale is here. Hello?
InventSale. Okay, great. Please start sharing your screen.
Yes, just a minute.
InventSale number 28.
So I joined exactly at the time.
Okay, so we can see the. Yes, we do.
Okay.
Please start.
Let me check. Okay, great. Hello, everyone. I'm Komran Abdullayev, co-founder of InventSale, and we're building AI brain for retail operations. So today, global retail loses up to $1 trillion a year due to out of stocks, overstocks, frozen capital, and write-offs. And it all happens because of massive amount of data in retail, inefficient forecasting tools, and so slow manual processes. So this all lead to intuition and emotional-based decisions. And we are building InventSale. It's an agentic AI platform with predictive models in its core. And several AI agents running at a time, predicting demand, finding frozen capital, giving recommendations. So at the core, we automate operation decisions in retail, in offline retail. And today we already see results with our early pilots in grocery chains and pharmacy, where we could decrease out of stocks about 14%, overstocks about 30%, and generating additional revenue about 10% daily, which is really good results for today. And we already have traction with 4 paying clients, 3 pilots running at a time, and $4,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Working with big retailers in Tajikistan, and also we are present in Uzbekistan now. So if you look at the market, global market of retail is about $40 billion, but we are focused in very narrow niche offline retail and decision-making platforms with a SAM of $10 billion and targeting Central Asian market and US market with SAM of $50 million. Our business model is clear. For now, it's monthly subscription with $500 to $4,000 in monthly subscriptions. But we also provide custom pricing for retail chains with more than 50 stores. In the competitive landscape, there are forecasting tools and other platforms, but with InventSale, we are closing the gap of decision making. So first we predict demand, then other AI agents find frozen capital and tell exactly like how much goods and stuff to buy and what to order and etc. And our team consists of 4 people with exceptional background in fintech, retail, building products. So we close sales, product, IT, and AI. And in the team, we have a very strong person from retail, Roman Karnev, ex-CTO in Final Price, who built AI products for ourselves, for our team. And today we are rising 200K in save, targeting 20K MRR by the end of the year. And thank you. We believe that every retail will use AI at its core.
Dear judges, do you have any questions?
I do. Thank you so much for
Yes,
the
Kane.
presentation,
No.
Kamran. Going back
Thank
to
you.
your business model, so I see it's subscription based. What is the reasoning behind those numbers? And the
So
range is quite big, from 500 to
yes,
4,000.
but yes, of course, it depends on number of stores the network have. So offline retail, it can be like from 5 stores to 100 stores to 200 stores. So it depends really on stores. For now, we are working with retail chains who have from 5 to 50 stores.
So
So it's about $100 per store pricing.
I see. It's a monthly, right? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you very
great.
much.
Kamran, thank you so much for your pitch. And now it's time to move on. Do we
Great,
have
thank you.
anyone from DNA Vault?
Yes, here.
Okay, great. Tufan, please start sharing your screen with us.
Sure. Give me a sec. All right, sharing. Do you guys see
Great,
my
we can
screen?
see. Yes, we do.
All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Tufan. I'm CEO and founder of DNA Vault. Basically, what DNA Vault does is we train brains for businesses in all the fields, such as sales, HR, finance, and internal operations. The reason why we started DNA was as a founder, and I was working for a stone crusher factory, and everything was on paper, and somebody was marking it with a pen and paper and calculating everything on a calculator. So it got me thinking, there's got to be errors somewhere. And then a digital revolution happened in that company. The digital revolution was basically registering those data into Excel sheet. And after that, it was always errors and errors and errors. And for the last 10 years, I was working for many, many companies, and it got me thinking, I really got to make my life easier. And hence, the problem was that every knowledge was scattered. Somebody had an Excel file, somebody's chat had that file, but she was not available at that time. So I had to put everything together. So if I had that problem, other CEOs must be having that problem as well. So as Mongolian businesses are locked out of AI, so DNA Vault changes that, and knowledge is scattered. Western AI is priced for someone else, and generic AIs are hard to be trusted because sometimes it hallucinates. So we got over that part. So what we are doing basically is we're connecting files from Word, Excel, and Drives or Notion, and we index it. We ask in Mongolian or English, and we get cited answers. For example, we have WikiChat internal and legal already working, and we're working on finance, sales, operations, marketing, and brandings. For example, what is the 2026 marketing budget? How many days of paid maternity leave? It will give you cited answers. We founded our company 3 months ago, and we are already making some money with that. And we have 16,000 listings on real estate, and 1,400 companies that we're targeting, and we're a 4-person team. We have done WikiChat, it's a live MVP. We have done a website for the second biggest mining project in Mongolia, and we're building a Lemon Plus homepage on Notion, and we have Remax iConnect transformed into Mongolian.
Sufyan, thank you so much. And it's time for questions. The jury panel.
Tufshen, thank you for the presentation. Also, what is the professional background of those 4 people in the team?
The 4 people, for example, me, I am a business guy. I'm a sales-oriented founder. My CTO has been working in banking, and he was a founder of Bronze Hero, an entertainment creative company, and where he has done almost 1,000 advertisements. So he has a lot of editing background. CIO, he works in fintech company, and he's building our RAG architecture. And our marketing guy, he's a DJ. He's very talented, very artistic. He looks at something and says, the flow's not right. And then he goes on and fixes it.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sufyan. And it's time to move on. Do we have anyone from the team of Polaris?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, great. Nansa, please start sharing your screen.
Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Nansa. I'm the one of the founders of Polaris. Central Asia is one of the biggest growing tourism region in the world. 12 countries, 155 million visitors in 2025, growing 9% every year. Mongolia alone had 800,000 tourists, up 16%. The demand is here, but the infrastructure is not. Traveling independently here is nearly impossible. Outside the city, you have no signal, and if something goes wrong, you have no idea who to call, and you end up using 5 different applications. Only one solution of all of this problem is a human guide, but you would have to pay $150 to $200 a day. Most travelers simply can't afford it. So we built Polaris, one app that makes independent travel possible. This is Michelle, our AI guide. Chat or talk to her to plan your trip, find hidden gems, and get answers instantly. She builds personalized day-by-day itinerary based on your pace and interests. She also translates Mongolian to English, English to Mongolian, even offline. As you travel, Michelle travels with you, real-time narration based on your GPS. And if something goes wrong, one tap on SOS, Michelle translates your situation into Mongolian and calls emergency services directly wherever you are. All of this works offline because Kuven 1.5b runs directly on your phone. Online, it pulls live data. Offline, it runs entirely from local storage. So how do we make money is tourists pay $14.99 for one-time trip pass, and local businesses pay $25 a month to be recommended by Michelle. And all this model works. 15 local businesses, 4 to 6 months, positive cash flow. We haven't launched it yet, but our MVP is in live. We're tested and it's ready. Launch is our next step. Mongolia is just the start. The same model works across all 12 countries of Central Asia, one by one. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much, Nansa. Dear jury panel.
Thank you, Nansa, for the presentation. I'm curious about the competitive landscape. Who are the main competitors of Michelle?
We're software engineers trained at our team, like 7 of us, 6 developers and 1 business lead, all based in Ulaanbaatar. We also have a US-based financial advisor supporting us.
Perfect. Do you have competitors?
Are
there any businesses doing
like
similar?
Yeah, there's like Google Maps or Trip Advisors, but they don't have. They're different applications. We're the one app that makes all of this. Like we do all AI. No, we do all the guide to guide us. Yeah, it's just one applications and yeah.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nansa. And it's time to move on. Do we have anyone from the team of, Viger? Oh, Viger. Okay, what about Wells Studio? Got it. Luxi.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, great. We have Luxi with us. Alexei, please start sharing your screen. Yes, we can see it, but I think there is some issue with your speaker. Can you say something once again?
Sorry?
So, okay, anyway, please start and we will determine whether there is a problem or not. Please go ahead.
Everything okay, right? Okay.
Yes.
Alex, I'm so founder of Luxi. Luxi is a platform that helps women selling become the best version of themselves. Every day, there's many impressions online, but most women do not even know makes them more attractive.
Alexei, I apologize, but there is a problem with your speaker. We can't hear you well. Maybe you have headphones or something, because there is an echo all the time and it's kind of disrupting your pitch. Everything is fine with the screen, only with the speaker. Alexei, are you with us? Okay, Alexei, for the sake of time, let me invite you after the next pitch. Please try to find the headphones, because probably the speaker on your laptop is doing a not really good job. So do we have anyone from Resilience AI? Okay, what about sparse energy grid?
I am available.
Okay, great. It's sparse energy. Okay, cool. So Calvin, please start sharing your screen with us.
Sure thing. Just let me know if you can see this. All right.
It's coming. Not yet. It's still dark screen for me.
Is it working?
Oh yeah. Yes, it's working now. Please start.
Okay. Great, thanks. Hi, my name is Calvin. I'm CFO at Sparse Energy Grid. Sparse Energy Grid is a Mongolian thermal energy storage startup founded in Ulaanbaatar in 2025. My background is as a systems engineer and financial analyst, and our CEO, Soto, is a founder and mechanical engineer by training and trade. We recently had a seed round funding valuation of $500,000, and we currently have around 5 staff, some full-time, some part-time. And our mission is for clean, reliable heat from Mongolia through smart thermal energy storage. A bit of background on the current challenges that Mongolia faces. Mongolia cities suffer from some of the worst wintertime air quality in the world due to the coal-based heating and electricity municipal district heating grids. It has a severe negative impact on the population's respiratory health, as well as the grid being currently running at capacity. There were rolling blackouts in 2025 due to overutilization, and about 9 in 10 new construction permits are denied access or connection to the grid due to insufficient district heating. However, Mongolia has some great opportunities to address this problem. It possesses some of the world's best solar and wind resources worldwide, making it a global leader in renewable energy potential. And these variable energy supplies can integrate seamlessly with thermal energy storage and help balance demand more cost effectively than electrical batteries can. Because thermal storage mediums are much cheaper, they're more durable, and they're more efficient than the grid scale lithium batteries. It's also a technology that's applicable across Central Asia. Any city that's reliant upon district heating grids can adopt this and build it into the grid infrastructure. Our solution is a sand-based thermal energy storage system. You can kind of see the photo here, it's to scale. This system stores renewable or off-peak electricity as high-temperature heat and can replace fossil fuel heat sources for both residential and industrial use. It uses low-cost and abundant materials, mainly sand, which have minimal environmental impact compared to lithium, and it can store extremely high-temperature heat for over a week. By integrating smart metering, we can also improve individual building efficiencies and predictively balance demand and improve overall grid resilience. We worked over the last year on a prototype development. It's a container-sized sand battery prototype. It's approximately 1 megawatt hour and runs at 800 degrees Celsius. It's integrated with a solar panel array and fully automated with a 4G LTE connectivity for continuous data collection and feedback. We're now working on deploying a pilot structure. We have a partner with, we're working on developing this pilot with a partner in the Gobi Desert, one of the largest mining corporations in Mongolia. It'll be a heat as a service model using a silo structure. It'll be about 10 megawatts, so about 10 times larger than a container model, and ready for deployment in August 2026.
Calvin, thank you so much for the presentation, but it's time to move on. Dear judges, do you have any questions?
Hikmatullah. Calvin, thank you so much for your presentation. So what is the traction so far? You said you've launched in 2025, right? And still plans in the future. So how responsive are the potential customers as of now?
Yeah, we see some great engagement, especially in areas that are more remote and that want to utilize solar panels as their primary energy source. So remote mining camps are currently kind of our main, I guess, like most closely developed partners. But we're also targeting individual residential units in UB City, companies that currently can't get access to the municipal heating grid.
Mhm. Oh, okay. We didn't get to the business model, did we? If you could quickly talk about it.
Yeah, I can kind of talk about the next steps over the next year.
No
Business
worries.
model is to provide heat as a service, heat as a service mainly. So it'll take electricity in either through solar or through like nighttime tariff rates, and then provide basically a flat rate for heat that wouldn't need to be directly connected to municipal heating grids. And we'll roll this out over the next year.
Mhm. Excellent. Thank you. Good luck.
Sure, thanks.
Great. Thank you so much, Kevin, for the presentation. And it's time to move on. We still have several projects left. Do we have anyone from the team of... Oh, Luxi, are you ready to pitch now, by the way?
Okay, I'm ready. Can you hear me now? Say, please.
Yes, we can hear you much better now.
That's great. Thank you. Oh, one moment, please. I start my presentation. Okay, are you see this?
Yes, we see the presentation.
Okay, great. I can start. I'm Alex. I'm the founder of Luxi. Luxi is a platform that helps women see and becomes the best versions of themselves. Every day, women create many impressions online, but most women do not clearly understand what look makes her more attractive, what style fits her, and how she is seen by the other people. The solution here is Luxi. A woman just uploads a few photos, our AI analyzes her appearance, finds her sweets for her, and creates personal beauty guide. The result is not only a nicer image, it helps her feel confident. This is the best version of me. This is the most strong and the most important idea of our project, of our product. This makes us different. The product already works in Telegram bot. This helps us test our ideas fast. We use our own AI recommendation system to create a wow look beauty guide for women. Why now? The timing is right for three reasons. AI makes personal advice affordable. Content now is a major way to people to grow and communicate, and appearance has become a digital asset that we must own and use it by ourselves. Our total market is really big. It's $72 billion. Some is 4 billion, and our reachable market, where we are working right now, is $20 million with 30K users in our platform. Currently traction, we have already proved that women ready to pay. 35K monthly users in bot registered 3,000 paying customers, and we growing with our own revenue and reinvesting it into product and our growth. This gives us a working funnel from reach to our active users. Business models that we build right now is a subscription. It's a B2C market. We want to build a subscription with a personal eye stylist for every day. Why we are not building another eye image tool. We are building a scalable platform for women. We have a big vision, a market that's ready for usage of AI. Our team is our CEO that building market. So thank you.
Alexei, thank you so much. Yeah, the time is up. Dear jury panel, any questions?
I don't have it.
I have a question. Thanks, Alexei, for the presentation. Please tell us about the competitors. Who are the main competitors, and why do you think your product is better than theirs?
Okay. We look Quovis. It's about analytics of beauty. It's have many users all over the world. It's ChatGPT. Many women use it for building her profile. But our visual transformation is just a first point. It's not completely a full product that we build. We want to build something bigger, platform where where women can use different profiles, compare, build own look for event, for important days of her life. Not just simple image or transformation that she can build in ChatGPT.
So go deeper than ChatGPT. Understood. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexei. And it's time to move on. Do we have anyone from the team of Andorian LLC? Andorian LLC? Okay. What about Fraud Block? Got it. Blueprint Solutions. Okay. What about Hinland? Nobody from Hinland? Okay, nobody from here. That's kind of weird because he messaged me several times. Okay, what about My Attention AI? Interesting.
Yeah.
Same thing with My
Yep,
Attention.
I'm here. No,
Oh,
I'm
okay,
here.
Shahram,
I
great.
just
Nice, nice.
Hi,
Okay, please start
everyone.
sharing your screen.
Yep. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can. We can see the screen, but not the. Yes, we can see the presentation. Yes.
Can I start?
Yes, please.
So, My Attention AI is a Duolingo for ADHD. It screens for its symptoms and helps users to learn how to manage it. Problems. 80% of adults with ADHD, they are not diagnosed with that and they don't have any treatment. In Kazakhstan only, it's roughly 400,000 people. And we also have lack of specialists, only 24 specialists for 100,000 people with ADHD. Cost of being undiagnosed is a huge. People with ADHD tend to earn for 33% less than others. They live for 7 years less than others. They tend to quit jobs with a 60% more likelihood, and they are being fired more often than others. And solution that we propose, and we already built the app that uses validated screening tools that gives analysis of symptoms and provides more broad AI analysis of symptoms. And also we have already built games that teach necessary skills that can help to reduce severity of symptoms. And we plan to deploy AI mentor in upcoming couple of weeks. The team who will execute this job is me, Shahram, an enrolled student at Columbia University majoring in psychology and neuroscience. I also have experience in product management, marketing, and go-to-market. Dr. Natasha Kostek is a PhD psychologist from Cornell University. Dr. Almas Kuseynov is associate professor from Astana Medical University, who will help us onboard 200 psychiatrists from Kazakhstan to our platform, and we will join to 240 clinics from his network. Takhmina Uripova, our art director, who will help us to design very beautiful and engaging app for those who tend to lose their attention. And also we have great team of software engineers who will build a great app.
Our ultimate advantage is that in our team, we have advisors, the most prominent scientists in the world in treatment and assessment of ADHD. And our traction is that we already raised $10,000 from ex-Stanford MBA, Google, and Amazon guys. And we have one paid customer who paid $4 just recently. For us, it's a great win. How we're going to make money? It's premium subscription. And also we will have from appointments of psychiatrists some payments. My market is huge. It's a gazillion dollar opportunities. Go to market is our second ultimate advantage. I can talk about it a little bit more later. We are raising $500,000 for 5%. We are Delaware C Corp. We got into Accelerate Prosperity Accelerator. You can take the test here, and this is team of our mentors from these people.
Shahram, thank you so much for the presentation. Dear judges, do you have any questions? It might be the last pitch for today.
I have a question. Thank you for the presentation, Shahram. And we could see how you're practicing it. Good job. So it is a B2B. So who are the main customers? Who are you focusing on?
It's B2C and B2B. I would say that 80% is B2C and 20 is B2B. In our pipeline, 4 universities like Lehigh University, Almayu, and others. And we already reach out to local apps who have accumulated total amount of users exceeding 600,000 users who will onboard on our app. These are education-related apps. We know that people with ADHD have struggles with studies, so we will onboard them and we will provide all the support for them.
I see. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Great. Shahram, thank you so much. Yes.
I'm sorry, dear juries, you missed Hirat.
Just a second, Tahir, just a second. We're still on the other founder. Shahram, thank you so much for your presentation. And let us move on.
Any other questions, maybe?
Yes, probably not. You did great. Hikmatullah already give a good score to you. Okay. Yeah, I saw it. Okay, let's move on. So, as of today, we had 24 startups. As of now, I mean, who wanna pitch now? Tahir just said something.
Yes.
Okay.
I want to show
And-
my stuff.
Okay, who will be pitching? Okay, what's the name of the startup?
May I?
Hirat.
Okay, just a second. Let me find it first. Okay, it's number 21. Okay, please go ahead.
Hi, dear juries. I'm Johnny Beg. I am CTO of Hirat. We let anyone calculate, buy, install, and monitor solar in 2 minutes in their own language and currency. We are the Amazon of solar for 280 million people across Central and South Asia. And it's live right now at Hirat. Going solar in our region is broken, not the technology, the decision layer. Buyers plan in Excel from Facebook chat and either overpay or give up. Western tools don't fit here. No local tariffs, no local currency, no Tajik, and no Urdu. There is no trusted installers, and after install, nobody check it works. The hardware is ready, the platform is missing. Hirat is one account for the whole journey. Calculate, buy, install, and monitor. Enter your city roof and power use, and in 2 minutes get 3 system option with payback and PDF. Then buy real equipment, post a job to vetted installers, and track daily output from your inventor. And AI assistant explained it all in 7 languages, including right to left Farsi and Urdu. Everything is built for how people here actually buy. Real local tariffs and currencies, installers on a map, and the local payments, Alif Pay Me, Kaspi, and Just Cash. A solar quote here takes 7 to 40 days, with Hirad 5 minutes. This is live at Hirad Dev today, not a mock-up. Calculator, PDF report, and AI assistant already work across 6 countries. Marketplace and installers sign up, go public this week. These 3 forces are converging in 2026. Solar hardware prices fell 60%. Payback is now under 5 years. Government are adding VAT exemption and net metering across the region. And with 80% smartphone penetration, people want one app, not email PDFs. 28 million people, 6 countries, and 0 regional platforms serving them. We estimate a $50 billion solar opportunity by 2030. We start in Tajikistan, then Uzbekistan, then Kazakhstan, and then Pakistan, the big one, at 240 million. Here's what's already live: the calculator, the AI stand, and all 7 languages. This week, the marketplace is installers sign
Thank you
up
so
and
much, but the
public.
time is up. Now it's time to ask questions. Dear judges, do you have any questions? Okay, I see no questions. That's great. Thank you so much. And let's
come and try solar panel at
course.
Hirad.
Sure. So do we have anyone else who wanna pitch and just join the call? Of course, please go ahead.
No.
Fitpal, just a second. Fitpal, if you're ready to pitch, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you.
It's project number 3 in the list, the juries.
So, hello everyone. I'm Nimjavis, founder of Fitpal Trainer. Today we are here to redefine how the world stays healthy and feeds and connects. So the problem is nowadays fitness is one of the traps. It's too expensive, screen addicted and lonely, and personal trainers are too expensive. So constantly staring at phones kills mindful workouts. It makes screen fatigue and fragmentation. Users are juggling with 3 more apps for running, yoga, and diet tracking. So the solution is Fitpal Trainer mobile application. Fitpal Trainer solves all problems with one unified, affordable ecosystem. All-in-one companion, 10 times cost savings, and from any time, anywhere. It's and mindful and screen-free workouts. Also, it's AI powered. So market size and trends is like nowadays, currently we have $15 billion market, entire global. So the target is we are going to attract 5 million users globally. Nowadays, 4 billion people are exercising fitness worldwide, and 600 million running worldwide, etc. So many people are working out nowadays. It's crucial to well-being our mental health issues. So modern intelligence says that the $15 billion US market on the digital market, fitness marketplace, and it's going to increase in 2031 to 28.3 billion US dollar. So this is my product. introducing to all football trainers training program, nutrition tracking, body metrics, and health integration community, and it has sports goods. So you are seeing the my product. This is for user going to see. And workout modes are gym, fitness, hiking, walking, and yoga and running. So nutrition tracking is crucial when you exercise. So it helps you to gain more protein, carbs, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The fitness model is going to be subscription and in-app partnerships and Fitball shop e-commerce.
Dear founder, this is it. Thank you so much. The time is up and it's time for questions. If there are any. Dear judges, do you have any questions?
I do. I'm curious about the traction so far, and what is your go-to-market strategy? Is that?
We have going to subscription, you know. Also, we got 5 million on our social media page, 5 million views total. So we got 50 users on actively, and using only 9 people are using active at this time. We are just announced our application, so it's new. People don't know about our product yet. So we are going to hold events, 4 different events during this period of time, including that running, like disco run. Yeah. Events.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much for the presentation. And do we still have somebody else to pitch, or this is it?
Can I?
Hi. Please tell me the name of your startup.
Caesarion AI.
Okay.
Caesarion.
In that case, got it. Please start sharing your screen.
Okay.
It is number 4.
Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm out. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Are you sharing the screen, Ramon, Caesarion?
Yeah.
Okay, please start sharing.
Okay.
Okay, great.
So first of all, I would like to apologize because my English isn't very good. We're supposed to introduce our company that is unable to present to a criminal environment. So I will be giving the patients the thank you.
We don't see the presentation.
Okay. Legal systems are built for citizens, not foreigners.
No, we don't see
Every
the presentation.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now we can see. Yeah, please start.
Thank you. Legal systems are built for citizens, not foreigners. So every year, millions of foreigners face impossible legal barriers, language, cost, and access. So, for example, Steve moved to Seoul for his career. He only needed legal help with renters contracts, but he couldn't understand language or the legal trends. He had no idea where to find the right lawyer, and few available options were far too expensive. As a result, he lost valuable time, money, and peace of mind. So 60% of immigrants are unable to access legal assistance. 69 of foreign nationals in detention centers are without legal representations. And 90% of foreign workers in low-income countries, including Mongolia, countries lack legal protection. So lawyers are ready, foreign clients can find them. Both sides are friendly, no one has built a bridge between them. So 304 million people worldwide are living in country other than where they were born. So legal market is actually a massive market. So legal global market, our time is $1 trillion. Our SAM is $45 billion. Legal market is actually $30 billion. Legal tech is IGR is 10%. So why now? We have 5 impactive reasons. So global conflict, displacement, government cannot keep up, and tightening immigration policies, and AI is finally good enough. So these studies and data show that while demand in this sector is extremely high, the supply of accessible and efficient solution remains insufficient. Our solution will bridge this gap. So Cicero was the first and most exceptional person with versatile legal expertise. Now, Cicero will be the first and most exceptional AI with versatile legal expertise. So from problem to perfection in 3 steps: ask, understand, our AI understand, and act. Google verify local lawyer match to your budget. Your case summary errors in their calendar, or generate legally compliant document on the spot in both your language and the official language of that country. So using Cicero, what used to take our users an average of 1 month to resolve can now be solved in just 1 minute. So
Thank you so much, Irmun. The time is up and it's time for questions. Dear jury panel.
Thank you for the presentation. So as far as I understood, MVP is not there yet, right? And
no.
Okay. So could you please tell us, like, what are you planning to build? What do you have in mind for the MVP?
I built MVP. I have built, and our traction is 42K foreign people.
Okay. Thank you, and good luck.
Okay. Thank you so much, Irmun, for the presentation. And it's time to move on. If we have anyone else left, please let me know. Are there anyone who want to pitch? Okay, so probably this is it. So dear participants, jury panel, founders, thank you so much for being with us. This is the end of the Mongolia, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan round, and we had pleasure for you in 27 startups. It's a lot, but we're still on time. And to our judges, thank you so much, Kani Hikmatullah. You really did great, and 2 of you actually fired questions, gave advice. So thank you so much for that. Dear participants, thank you for being with us, and you did great. Congratulations. And the final results will be announced between July 21-22. So stay tuned in our Telegram group, as well as our media partners at Tech will announce the result later on all their platforms. And this is it. So see you at future Road to Battlefield events, and bye-bye, everyone. Thank you.
Good luck, everyone. Thank you. Bye.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.